So now let's quickly connect our app with Firebase and then we can test our application. So go to the main.dot, let's close the other files, and what we can do is we can simply make this quickly asynchronous. It will be future void. We have to say widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialized, and then to use Firebase in the Flutter web project, for that purpose first we have to add the dependency, which is Firebase underscore core. Click pub get and then go back to your browser, click on this gear icon, settings, project settings. Then if you scroll here you will see this add app. Click on add app, click on this web icon, and let's give it name as admin web panel. Admin web panel. Click on register app. Now from here what you need to do, you can copy this from here. Okay, also let's say if you didn't copy from here and you click directly continue to console, then you can copy it from here as well. Click on admin web panel and here you will find out this. So just copy this piece of code, okay, alongside with from API key to this measurement ID. Copy this. Once you copy this, come back to the project, and what you need to do is here in the main.dot we can simply say wet Firebase, which belongs to Firebase core package dot initialize app, and then we have options, and the options will be const Firebase options, and in here we have to add our this copied code. Copy this and paste it here just like this. Once you do this, we are connected successfully. We connect our Flutter web app to the Firebase. So let's install the app now on, let's test our web application. Let's go to upload banner, and now let's click on pick image. So let's choose quickly any image as a banner. Okay, then click on save. So you can see uploading banner and uploaded successfully. So if we go to the database, go to the storage, we have banner images to which the banner image is uploaded. Then if we go to the Firestore database, then you will find out banners main collection, under which each banner information is saved using the unique ID, document ID, which is basically the image unique name, or you can say the image unique ID. And one thing I have to mention here, that is if you want to change the background color of the snack bar, you can do that as well. Okay, for that purpose in a snack bar we have a property after content, it is called background color. So for example, by default it is white, so you can give it any color, like let's say purple, black, whatever color you want. You can just proceed with that. And if you want to increase the text size, you can do that here after message comma style, text style, and just we can say let's say color you want to change, or you want to increase the font size. So let's say I want to increase the font size to 16, just like that. Simple is that. Okay, the first property, the second property.